Hello, young learners. Welcome to the fun fruit time. Look at this basket full of yummy fruits. Today, we are going to learn their names and have fun together. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, this is a banana. Banana, banana, yellow banana, yummy banana. Can you say banana? Banana. Yes. Orange. This is an orange. Orange, orange, round orange, juicy orange. Can you say all orange? Orange. Yes. Next, kiwi. Look at this kiwi. Kiwi, kiwi, green kiwi from inside. When you cut it, it's green. Yummy kiwi. Can you all say kiwi? Kiwi. Yes. Now this is an apple. Apple, apple, red apple, yummy apple. Can you all say apple? Apple. Yes. Now this is a pear. Pear, pear, green pear, yummy pear. Can you all say pear? Pear. Yes. Now quickly let's recap. What are the fruits we have learnt? Banana, orange, kiwi, apple, pear. Yes. Now, parents, please write down your little one's favorite fruit in the comments. If you loved learning fruits, subscribe for more fun videos. Next, we'll do vegetables. See you soon, learners. Bye-bye.